So right now you're feeling a little bit frustrated because you are a dance educator or some type of passion that you're really good at and you tried putting out your class, but as a result, nobody really responded. And you keep thinking to yourself that it's like, well, what is it that is, why am I not attracting the people, the clients that I know I can help? You're sitting on this amazing skill, but nobody's getting your product. Nobody's buying what you put out. So you feel disencouraged, right? We've all been there, and I can tell you right now that I know exactly how it is. But what you do want instead is that you would really find a way to connect with people that want to get help by you, and also that you can deliver a high quality product to, right? Because you know you can give them so good results with this amazing skill that's inside of you, and there's so few people that are as passionate as you are to get their product out there. But one of the biggest mistakes that we educators and dance educators and dancers and personal trainers keeps doing is that when we market, we try to talk to everyone. So we have a whistle and we blow it and everybody's listening, but what ends up listening when you're talking to everyone is that nobody's listening. So what we want you to do instead is that I want you to see yourself as a dog whistle. Blow the dog whistle, no humans can't hear it, but the right person is hearing it, in this case the dogs, right? So your marketing should be very specific, your message should be super clear. So you're talking to one person who has one problem and you come with a solution. A dog whistle, not a general soccer whistle. Because when you do this right, and when you get this right, it's gonna be so much more fun for you, because you're gonna feel so more, what is the word I'm searching for? You're gonna feel so more in line with your purpose. It's gonna be fun, you're gonna be able to get real results, you actually help people to get to where they want to get, and at the same time, you're gonna get more money, and you're gonna get the freedom that you want. If this is something you want help with and get an understanding of how to create a clear message through talking to the right people so you can get them more results, you can get more profit, and you can have more fun, more freedom in your lifestyle. If that's something you're interested in, I have a free Facebook group where I'm giving out tons of value daily about online business and how we can turn our passion into profit. The link should be around here somewhere. Come and join us, champ. It's time to go to work.